Hey guys, welcome to a new toy review. Today we're doing the Eye Guy from Power Rangers. Super happy to get this guy. Is it Eye Guy? Eye Guy. He's a big one, the monster ones. I got this for $10. What I think is a steal of a deal for these big giants. Because this is like a $30 figure. So for $10, can't really complain. Looks super cool. Really fun. Excited to open this. So without further ado, jump into it really fast. Let's jump into it. Bam. Hey guys, we're gonna look at the Eye Guy figure from Power Rangers. So let's look at the accessories first, but it's only two. Now these, he has hands. I would do zoom ins on these. I'm doing this new angle. Let's see how it works. I think it looks better for the actual figure, and we'll zoom in for details and stuff. And also make sure I get everything in a shot, so if I'm talking about something, it doesn't like go out of shot or anything. More smooth when I can just zoom in. So we have his hand here. Looks cool, has an eye on it. It's just a fist. Not much to say. Like the texture. It's cool. Little hand, extra hand. Extra stuff coming with the figures, and we have this other hand. There are two eyes on this one, and it's just another hand. Pretty cool. So you can change his hands. The other ones look like they can hold stuff or do stuff, but these are just solid like fist hands. Really cool. Set this aside, and then we have this. It also comes with this, with like a giant eyeball. The eye in it, I think, can. Nope. This eye cannot move around. The other one can. This one does not close or anything, do anything, but it's cool. The eye looks cool. Giant eyeball had these like little things on the back. I don't know if they're called tentacles, but things on the back. And it had like this green power or thing going up around it. It looked really cool. It's on this giant like silver like stand. It makes it easy to just sit. Stands really nicely. So it's not, I like that. This one comes with a little stand. Fit the stand on, looks really cool. This alone is pretty cool. Like this is kind of cool. Extra thing, I like how they added this, the effect onto this. So it's not like something you have to actually put on yourself, because sometimes with Power Rangers you get like, here's another example, like one like this where you put it on the figure, but this one you get it like with other figures, but this one actually has this. It's really cool. Also, I just remembered there is this other piece, so put this inside here. This figure looks super cool. Really excited. This is a nice little piece. I can just stand up next to the figure. Looks really nice. Also, that's all this. It comes with this. Don't know what this goes to or how this works. It looks like it's a thing. I want to say shoots out of his eye, but I'm not sure. This is like something, I doubt he holds this. I doubt it's not like a weapon. It looks like something that, like, you know, would shoot out of the eye, but it doesn't fit like it was. It feels like it's something that shoot out of the eye. It doesn't fit in this one. I don't know where. It's like a little energy thing. Let's bring the figure over. Take a look. We got the figure here. Let's take a look at it and then we'll see if that can go in somewhere. But I'll say this guy's Eye Guy, so he's covered with eyes all over his body, but he has tons of eyes. The eyes are like, they're all brown eyes. They're plastic. It's a plasticky feel for the eyes. But then the like part up here, and like this part, and some parts on his body have a more like, not plastic feel. I mean, it's probably still a type of plastic, but it's a different feel, different texture. I like the different textures. And you can see in the back, just eyes. He just has eyes everywhere. It's not much to say. He has eyes all over the back of him. Looks nice. Like, this guy's one of the guys who's super basic. It's not like a lot of designs. This guy's basically just one thing, and that's it. So it's not a ton when it comes to design or for this character. It's cool. Legs, he has eyes on like his toes here, which I think is cool. Eyes on his coat, eyes on his foot. Hands, these hands do have eyes as well. And they do have like, this one's open kind of, and this one's open. I doubt this supposed to go in it. It looks like something that'll shoot out of it, but still cool, different hands. Arms, like here's some big eyes in the middle. And then the top part here, it looks cool. His eye inside it, as you can see. I can move it. I don't know how well you can see that. I can move it around, so that's kind of cool. And also this little part here. You can see I can close it. So I can make it look like his eyes kind of close. And you can open it. That's kind of cool to see. The two eyes here and the two eyes here, but as you can see, come like this. Stick out like this on either side. Cool, has some eyes up here. Looks really cool. There we go. So you just take this little glass piece off, make it look like he's shooting out the eye. And if I do this, I'm going to do it. I still got you can do it for this one as well. You have these things where you can take it out. So if I do it, I'm probably going to do it on this one, not the figure, because it looks kind of weird with just stuff shooting out of him. I'm going to do this. But yeah, we got it. I figured out. I was wondering how that works. Like, somehow it has to work. That's cool. You can make it where the eye can come off, and you can just put this on it. Looks cool. Like, it does look like he's shooting it out, and it looks kind of cool. But I think I'm going to do it for this one instead of the main one. Plop it back on. So it just easily goes back on. It's really cool. So we're going to add this to this guy. We can like click and see, look. Now it looks like the eye's shooting. Looks super dope. Cool. So yeah, this is the Eye Guy figure with all the stuff here. I like how the eyes, you can open them up, and that's how this works. It's actually really cool. Makes it a little more cool than I thought. Nice figure. What do you guys think of the Eye Guy figure? Let me know in the comments down below. You guys can always stay epic. See you in the next video, guys. Bye, guys.